Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I will be sharing some of the very important details with all of you. So I hope all the details will be helpful for you and will help you to do the preparation in very less time, and that's too the best preparation for your upcoming exam. And along with all those important points, I'm even gonna share a very important offer here with all of you, which is for the CSR UGC Net Unacademy Plus subscription or Unacademy Iconic subscription. So if you are the one who was waiting to take the subscription, then guys, you can take the subscription right now and you can even get the offer. So offer will be on the 6-month subscription and on the 12-month subscription. So if somebody will be taking the 6-month subscription, they will be getting the 1 month extra. If somebody will be taking the 12-month subscription, they will be getting the 2 months extra. Clear? And guys, along with this offer, you can even use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, and you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount as well. So don't miss it and grab this offer now, because it's a very good offer right now. We are gonna have on 6 months and the 12 months both the subscription, as it has been mentioned here on the slide. Also guys, don't forget to use the referral code, because it will be providing you the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. You just need to write it as it is. Spelling should be same and no space in between. So by using and by applying this referral code, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now let me just provide you the information about these important courses by the top educators, which will help you a lot in doing the best preparation for your upcoming exam. So guys, these are the new courses, and all the courses will help you a lot in doing the preparation, that is the best preparation for your upcoming exam. So the first one mentioned here is the course on mathematical physics, then the next one for classical mechanics, next on nuclear and elementary particle physics, another one is on condensed matter physics, then atomic physics, then thermodynamics and statistical physics, other one is electrodynamics course, then nuclear and elementary particle physics course, another course is on general aptitude, and even on general aptitude we will be having many other courses on Unacademy Plus. Okay, so you can check them too. And along with all these courses guys, the classical mechanics detailed course, complete course on electrodynamics, complete course on quantum mechanics, complete course on thermodynamics and statistical physics, complete course on mathematical physics, complete course, or the next one is the course on important topics of physical science. So you can see there are so many courses, and these are most of the new courses I have mentioned here. Along with these courses, many other courses you will be able to find on Unacademy Plus. And if you will be checking these courses, you may see that one subject course has been mentioned twice somewhere. So these are the courses by different educators, and you can even see some of the courses are the complete courses, some are the ultimate course, some are the detailed courses. So as per the name of the course, there will be the course structure of that particular course. Okay, and after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes and the courses by all the top educators. So even right now, if somebody will be taking the subscription, they will be able to do the very good preparation for their upcoming exam. And I hope all this information will be helpful for you guys. And even if your friends are preparing for the exam, share this information with them too. Share the information about the offer with them, so that they will get this benefit and they will be able to start their preparation under the guidance of top educators. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you now. Thank you so much everyone. And one more thing guys, that all these courses will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to a very good level. So yeah, in less time you will be able to do very good preparation for your upcoming exam. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.